All right, this is going to be another bad cop, no donut. Another bad cop, no donut. Joliet police officer arrested on domestic battery charge. Officer is one of four being sued over the death of Eric Lurie by Felix Sarver, published on March 29, 2021. This is from Shaw Media. Let's give a little shout out. Give a little bit of shout out to local papers who are doing good journalism. One of the Joliet police officers involved in the arrest of Eric Lurie has been arrested and charged with domestic battery, police said. About 10:42 p.m. Friday, officers responded to the 1300 block of Fitzer Drive for a welfare check, according to a Joliet police news release. After investigation of this incident, off-duty officer Andrew McHugh was taken into custody for domestic battery, police said. A warrant was issued for McHugh, and he was released on cash bond, police said. Per Joliet police policy, McHugh was placed on paid administrative leave pending the outcome of the criminal investigation. This case is still under investigation, police said. On Monday, a misdemeanor charge of domestic battery was filed against McHugh, court records show. When asked what McHugh was accused of that led to the domestic battery charge, Joliet Police Sergeant Dwayne English said that because the case is still under investigation, he was unable to comment on the specifics on what led to the charge at this time. McHugh is one of the four police officers who are being sued McHugh is one of the four Joliet police officers who are being sued by Nicole Lurie over the death of her husband, Eric Lurie, who died after his arrest on January 28, 2020. McHugh, along with Joliet Police Lieutenant Jeremy Harrison, Joliet Police Sergeant Douglas May, and Officer Jose Tellez, were accused in Nicole Lurie's lawsuit of engaging in willful and wanton acts and reckless conduct that led to the death of her husband. The Will County Coroner's Office ruled Lurie's death an accident due to drug intoxication. Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow said in a memo that Lurie's death did not result directly from the action or inaction by an officer of the Joliet Police Department. On February 3rd, a woman filed a petition for a protective order against McHugh. Judge M. Thomas Carney denied the request for an emergency protective order on the same day following a court hearing where the woman was present but not McHugh, according to court records. Carney dismissed the case as the petitioner did not sustain their burden of proof, according to court documents. The woman's petition said she had dated McHugh for roughly 7 years and their relationship has deteriorated over time. Her petition claimed that during a discussion about their relationship, McHugh had told her, "If you ever blank leave me, I will take all the kids and you'll never blank see them again." The petition further claimed that McHugh threatened to kill the woman's daughter's pet hamster and told her son to drink a bottle of Drano and kill himself. I am fearful of him as are the children based on the things he says and the violent threats, she said in the petition. The petition claimed that McHugh used corporal punishment with one child, leading to the involvement of the Illinois Department of Children and Family Services. I believe that an OOP, order of protection, is necessary at this time until he can lessen his aggression and anger towards us and allow us to retrieve all of our property, the woman's petition said. So she tried to come forward, and once again, police are protected by courts. You see, that judge protected protected this asshole, this monster. And now a woman with deep gashes. How many times this stuff happens and yet no one says anything, no one does anything? Things don't actually change. So once again, this is just another example of how the system protects cops. How a woman came forward and went to a judge and asked for order protection, and the judge denied it. And for years and years and years, this guy was allowed to just abuse people. Because if he's doing this at home, well, you know what he's doing on patrol. Unbelievable, man. Just unbelievable.